Hello, for SystemeIO, you've got the price as $27 is the startup plan. $27 per month. You can cancel anytime, but why will you cancel? What you get for $27 is 5,000 email subscribers, unlimited email sent, unlimited funnels, free membership sites. You get no custom domains, but you get unlimited file storage space, unlimited members. You get the full marketing automation, and you can run your own affiliate program. If you have any question, the support answers under 24 hours by chat and by Facebook also, if you want. So for $27 per month, give it a try. If you get my link in the description, I give you a 30 days trial, no credit card needed. So just do it now. I see you later. Bye bye.